Okay, it is the perfect time to rent equipment for indoor spring projects. It's officially spring, and while sometimes the weather doesn't act like it around here, it's still the renewing of the season and it's spring cleaning time. Sometimes this evolves into bigger household projects. All Seasons Rental in the Denver, Colorado metro area rents almost anything you need to complete your projects so you can get on with enjoying summer in the Rockies. We understand that not everyone owns a lot of the tools needed from time to time, which is why we carry them for your convenience. For those hard to reach places, we offer different sizes of ladders. We also carry floor and carpet cleaning equipment, wet dry vacuums, and many other items. Many people wait until spring to work on bigger projects, such as stripping and resanding floors, or ripping out carpet and installing more updated flooring. All Seasons Rental has a full inventory of any of the tools you need to carry on with these large improvements. Here are some of the other items that we carry: drills and power tools, airless paint sprayers, pneumatic tools, nailing equipment, saws and sanders, air compressors, generators. If you have an indoor project or improvement that requires more than a ladder, we also offer lifts and hoists to make the job go easier. Our inventory is not limited to the items we just mentioned, though. We also carry everything you need for outdoor projects for your home or property in Denver, Aurora, and the surrounding areas. We have earth moving and hauling equipment as well. It's also time for outdoor parties and events, and we offer a wide variety of canopies and other supplies for any gathering. To have your yard in tip top shape, we also rent lawn care equipment. And if you simply want to stop at All Seasons Rental, you're welcome to do so. We have staff available to answer any questions that you have regarding what equipment you might need and how to use it. And our staff is professional and knowledgeable about any of the items that we have for rent and are happy to assist you in making any project go smoothly. Rental items are flying out the door. So if you need tools or items to perform your spring cleaning or upgrades, call or stop in so we can reserve what you need. You can also do that on our website. All Season Rental is the top-notch rental company in the Denver Aurora metro area for a reason. Been around for 50 years, over 50 years now, actually, and expertise in providing rentals for projects big and small. So give us a call today or stop by our shop. We'll see you soon.